Hello everybody, welcome back to TechnoWaves, your one-stop channel for latest tech updates and gadget reviews. So are you facing flat tire in the middle of the road or low air pressure right before a trip? So don't worry, today I have got something that can save you in the both situations. This is the Portronics 2-in-1 cordless and corded tire inflator, and in this video we will unbox it, check out all its features and test it live on a tire and see if it's really worth buying. So let's get started. First of all, let's begin with the unboxing. So inside the box we get this Portronics tire inflator itself, a charging cable and a car power adapter for corded use, and nozzle attachments for different uses for car, bikes, cycles and even inflating footballs or balloons, and of course the user manual. So let's get started. So this is our inflator. It is very compact, lightweight, making it easy to carry in your car or bike. It has a digital display right here which shows you the air pressure clearly. The control buttons are simple. On the top you can see it has a power button, mode button, switch, and increase decrease pressure button, and here's the built-in LED torch that's super useful if you're inflating at night. On the top you can see it has an air hose port, charging port and 12 volt DC input port and USB output port for power bank. Features: it has a 2-in-1 power option, works cordless with its rechargeable battery, or you can plug it directly into your car's 12 volt socket if the battery runs out. Secondly, it has fast inflation. That means it can inflate car tires, bike tires, cycles and sports balls within minutes. And it has a digital pressure gauge that shows real-time PSI. Quickly test this inflator. Okay, now it's time for the real test. I have this tire with low pressure. Now let's connect this nozzle. Here you can see I have connected. My tire is almost no air in the tire, you can see, and I have connected this without corded. So it is without corded. First we will try it. Now the digital display shows the current PSI. I will set into the recommended level and start inflating. Yes, and you can see it automatically stops once it reaches the set PSI. So super convenient. But one thing is it does not fill that much of air that I have expected. You can see still my tire is not properly filled. Now we will try with the corded one. I have connected to my car's socket, and now let's try it by the corded one. And yes, as you can see by using corded one, this is fully filled the air and the pressure is very much good. Yes, I must say this is the best. I will recommend it for corded wire you can use. About it, pros and cons: it has 2-in-1 cordless plus corded use, but it can perfectly helpful via corded use, and it is very compact and portable. Digital display with auto cutoff, multiple nozzle attachments, emergency LED light. But about it, cons: it has a little noisy like most inflators, works best for top-ups, not for completely flat large SUV tires, and that cordless is not fully worth it. You can go for corded use. So that's it guys, this Portronics 2-in-1 cordless and corded tire inflator, and I have gave you an honest review. So please comment me what the best features you have liked, and for anyone who drives frequently, this is the must have gadget. It is handy, portable and can save you in emergencies. If you want peace of mind while traveling, this is definitely worth keeping in your car. If you found this video helpful guys, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my TechnoWaves channel and share this with your friends who travel a lot. So see you in the next video.